This is how I made this island from the shape of the letter Y in Adobe Firefly. Alright, so let's go to Firefly. I'm gonna go to the aspect ratio, change it to square, content type photo, and let's scroll down. I'm gonna select the hyper realistic, and let's go to the theme. I'm also gonna select the cinematic, and I'm gonna go to the concepts. Also, I'm gonna check the beautiful. Let's scroll down. We're gonna go to the camera angle and select shot from above. And up at least we're gonna go to the prompts and type in rounded island covered with pine trees, surrounded with blue water. And click on try prompt. Alright, so these are the first results. So it seems like it's not showing the island from the top correctly. So the shot from above prompt is not working that well. And I also want to add here top view to emphasize this. Let's click on generate. And now I can see we got a good result. And also this one is pretty good, but the rest of them are like these fisheye lenses. So anyways, I'm going to use this one as a reference. So I'm going to go to edit, use as style reference. And I'm gonna go to the composition reference and upload image. I'm gonna select the letter Y, click on open, continue, and I'm gonna increase the strength to 100%, scroll down, and I'm gonna decrease the visual intensity and the strength to 0 right now. And pretty much these are the settings. Click on generate. And take a look at that. We got a pretty successful result from the second try. So yeah, this is pretty good. So you can see in these 4 images, it added exactly the elements that I wrote in. So what happens if I increase the visual intensity somewhere around 50%? Let's click on generate. It is going to do pretty much the same thing, maybe a little bit of customization here and there. It is trying to mixing up the island. Let's generate again. We got a little bit more detailed results. I'm also going to try it out with 100, generate, and I can tell it kind of did the same thing as on 50%. You can't exactly tell the difference, if there are any differences, because the results are kind of similar. But I'm going to try it again, generate, and yeah, we got similar results, but I think here in these situations, the details are even higher. Now this is an AI tool and it kind of does what the AI wants to do, so you won't get the results all the time you want. So this was it for today, and thanks for watching.